Alright, so you also might have an issue related to the sound, that is like no audio on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have watched multiple videos on this topic and you have not got any solution, then I'm pretty sure the solution that I'm going to include in this video, if you watch them one by one till the end, I'm very sure you will be getting the solution and no audio or any kind of sound problem will be fixed. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. So right now you can see I'm using Windows 11, and when I hover up on my audio, it says no audio device is installed. Alright, so if you have the same issue or any similar issues, so the very first solution that I would recommend you, right click on the Windows icon and choose Device Manager. In the Device Manager, you will have to first look for Audio Input and Output. Make a double click on it. Now for many of you, you might not see the Realtek or the speaker device below the audio input and output. And if you don't see it, then what you can do, you can also look in the sound, video and game controller. And even if you don't find over here, then on the very top, you will have to click on view and then choose show hidden devices, as many devices get hidden. So check this option. In case still it doesn't show up, then again, you will have to click on action from the top menu and choose scan for hardware changes. And now if you're able to see it, then what you will have to do, just make a right click on it and choose uninstall device. But if you don't find it, then that's okay. Just close it from here. And then next you have to click on Windows search. Type here services, open it. And here in the services, you will have to look for a service by the name Windows Audio. So press the W key so that you can come to the W section. And here you can see the Windows Audio service has been disabled on my side. I will just double click on it to open it. And you can see the startup type has been selected to disable. So just click on the drop down, and from disable you need to choose it to automatic. And you need to start the service. So click on start and then click on apply and click on OK. Alright, bingo. So now you can see after doing these two simple steps, my issue has been resolved and the audio service is now working properly. So if you also got the solution, then you are good to go. But still, if you have the issues with the audio, the next what you can try, right click on the Windows icon, choose settings. In the settings from the left hand side, click on Windows Update. And here I would recommend you that kindly go ahead and just update all the pending updates available that even include all kind of drivers. But in case if you don't want to update entire Windows Update, then what you can do, just look for advanced option in Windows Update. And in the advanced option, you need to look for additional option. And here you'll find the optional update. You need to click on it. And here you can see there are two categories, Windows Update and the driver update. So you need to look for the driver update. And if there are any update available, especially related to the audio or the sound, then you need to check it and update it right now. So you need to keep in mind that you just update all the pending outdated drivers so that all the hardware should work absolutely perfect without any problem. Alright, now next we also need to check the audio settings. So click on Windows search and type here mmsys.cpl and hit the enter key and it will bring up the sound settings. And here in the playback section only, you will be getting your speaker, and this should be the right speaker, make sure, and it should be selected as a default device. Now on my end, you can see my speaker has been set to the default device and even it shows in a green tick. So you also need to look for the right audio on your side. Maybe you see different one here, more than one. So look for the right one here, right click on it and you might be getting an option set as default device. You need to choose it. And after that, you can check your issue should be resolved. And after this, again, make a right click on the speaker, choose properties. Then you have to click on levels and make sure the speaker level is above 70 because sometimes it goes beyond a 10 or around 0 and that period of time the audio is not working. It's a simple mistake but many people make it. So again you need to recheck that the speaker level should be above 70 or around 80. Alright, now you can close it and next we will move with a very powerful solution that works for maximum people. That is updating and downloading and installing the latest Realtek audio driver. So bring up any of your browser and you will have to search for Realtek audio driver. And in the suggestion, you will be getting this website, this link, PC audio codec from the Realtek. This one, click on it. And here it give you all the link available. So you will have to look here for the second one that says 64 bits, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. And this will be even working for Windows 11. Alright, so simply you need to click on the download icon. Accept the term, click download this file. You need to go with the CAPTCHA verification. So just type the CAPTCHA, click on submit. And the downloading of this driver will be started. Now in case if you have any issues downloading the driver from this website, like you can see on my end, it's downloading but it's not moving ahead, it's been stuck. And if you have any similar issues, then you have the alternate way to download this. For that you have to open a new tab again, and this time you have to type Realtek audio driver CNET. Scroll down a bit and you will be getting the CNET website. You need to click on this one. I will leave the direct link in the description. And here it says Realtek HD audio driver x64 for 64-bit. So just click on download now. Fast and secure browser, you need to skip it. So click below where it says no thank. I will continue with the Realtek. Again, you can click on download now and the downloading will be started. So just wait until the downloading is being completed. And once it get downloaded, just click on the downloaded file. Click on yes. And the installation of this Realtek audio will be started. So you just wait and have some patience, follow the steps. And you can see it is installing the Realtek audio driver, making all the changes required. And once it will be done, it will ask you to reboot. So go ahead and restart the computer so that all the drivers can be automatically installed properly without any problem. So you will have to wait again. Alright, bingo. So once it's been installed, again just log into your device. And this time if you just check your audio, you will find that there is no problem now and all the issues have been fixed. Even if I bring up the settings, so you can see that every sound option is working properly. No problem, no issues. Now in case if all these solutions still doesn't work for you, as these are the best solution, but still for many of you I believe that, or for few of them, you have got some similar issues or nothing work for you, then go with the most powerful solution, that is the power draining. Now sometime while using your audio, many kind of hardware on your motherboard, they remain a static charge and due to which the hardware doesn't work properly. So you need to remove it by using the power flush method. So if you're using a PC, then you have to shut it down. Then you have to disconnect all kind of cable like the power cable, any kind of USB, any kind of external device, everything you have to disconnect. Once disconnected, press and hold the power button for 25 seconds, 20 to 25 seconds. And after that, you need to connect all the cable back, like the power cable, all the required hardware, and then just restart the computer. This time you will find the static charge has been removed and the issue also might be fixed. You can do the same with the laptop. If your laptop include a battery, then you can just remove it, remove the charger, and then you can shut down the computer, press and hold the power button like for 20 or 25 seconds. Then you can reconnect the charger to the socket and then just start the computer and it should have fixed the problem. So these were the best and the possible solution, guys, if you have no audio or any problem related to the sound on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Please let me know in the comment section which method worked for you. And if you got the solution from this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.